So, hi friends, a very good morning to one and all. And by the way, once again, welcome to this live session of our channel Epitome Trader. And this is yours, Ravindra. And today I would like to highlight that the channel that which we are delivering the content in the live uh, regarding the Nifty analysis till the last week. But from this week, we are going to continue the Nifty analysis of the next week as well as the Wednesday live Vyaparam Bhaiya. So Bhaiya, with this concept on every single Wednesday, I would like to come on live as a Wednesday Vyaparam live trading analysis in our Epitome Trader channel, and this is the first live stream that I'm going to do on this Wednesday Vyaparam. And today there is a bit late, and I'm extremely sorry for that because there is some technical glitch that is going around when it comes to the live stream. So I don't know what had happened, but still, of course, by the end of the time, at anyhow, I got into this live, and you can feel our channel that this is the home for the clarity and the right conviction towards the trading the markets. So Bhaiya, whatever the thing that which we are delivering in our channel, it's just only the purpose of education and everything. If you want to take any financial decisions in terms of getting into the stock market and investment purpose or the trading purpose, you just consult our uh, consult your legal advisor so that they will help you understand in a much better way where you can invest your things in the right manner. So Bhaiya, with saying that, వెళ్ళిపోదామా భయ్యా లైవ్ లోకి మార్కెట్ లైవ్ లోకి. So this is the first view, and if you are watching this for the channel for the first time, I would like to highly encourage that at any point of time, if you feel that the things that are getting valued from our live sessions or the channel or the content that which you are consuming from our channel, so please do like, share, and subscribe. So this is a humble request from my end, and which will help me to reach all the traders like you and me who wants to grow in terms of the stock market learnings. So it's saying that let us go into this live of Nifty trading. So Bhaiya, can you please confirm like whether my screen or not? So if you want to have anything that is that which you want to know from my end regarding the stocks or the sectoral analysis, you can just drop a message where I could able to see on the chat itself, and I could able to help you understand. So without further delay, Bhaiya, let's go into this Wednesday Vyaparam live market, and this is the Nifty 50 chart that which we have been seeing right now. So just give me a moment. It is taking some time. Oh, what happened, man? Alright. What happened, man? There is something that is happening in terms of the technical glitch. So let me give one more try. Else, I will open the trading view account. अरे यार, let me try this trading. So Bhaiya, let me see this trading view account. So in the daily time frame. So once just we can have a recap that last time మనం ఏమేమైతే మాట్లాడుకున్నాం భయ్యా లాస్ట్ వీక్ లైవ్ సెషన్లోని. సో ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ మనం రీక్యాప్ చేసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాం భయ్యా. ఓకే, సో చూడండి భయ్యా, ఇది లాస్ట్ టైం మనం మాట్లాడుకున్నప్పుడు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద లెవెల్ దట్ విచ్ వీఆర్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ యాజ్ ఏ supply zone where it has been already tested 1, 2, 3 weeks, and this is the fourth week that which we are going through in terms of this supply zone. So భయ్యా, మనము ఈ మార్కెట్ లాస్ట్ టైం కూడా లాస్ట్ వీక్ just 3 days back on Sunday when I went to the live, so I also told that okay, there might be a chance of getting down because if we observe this pattern on the Nifty 50, so it has been, this is a supply, if we consider this as a supply zone, a good supply zone which has been tested once, twice, thrice, 4 times, and then it went up and again came down and it went up. But for the first time it breached completely. It took almost 4 times. So it's almost a 30 to 40% similar to that particular chart that which we have been seen in this previous data. And now if we see this, చూడండి భయ్యా, సో అలాగే ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ టైం అనేది మనకి మార్కెట్ అనేది ఈ సప్లై జోన్ టచ్ చేసి కిందకు వచ్చింది భయ్యా. సో దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఇండికేట్స్ దట్ there is some power in this, and which has been tested one time, and this is second time that it has been tested. And I'm expecting that maybe this week it's like an okayish condition that which will come closer to this and get to this demand zone. If you see that this is a good demand zone that is formed here, rally base rally. And let us go into this weekly daily time frame. Today let us check like how the market might end and how the intraday levels are. భయ్యా, ఎందుకంటే నేను లాస్ట్ టైం ఇది చెప్పే ముందు భయ్యా, నేను లాస్ట్ టైం కూడా చెప్పాను లాస్ట్ లైవ్ సెషన్లోనే, దేర్ మైట్ బి అ పాసిబిలిటీ that it will cover this gap. If we see this gap, ఈ క్యాండిల్కి గ్యాప్ ఉంది కదా భయ్యా, సో ఈ గ్యాప్ని ఈ మన మార్కెట్ అయితే ఫిల్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం అయితే చేస్తుందని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే బికాస్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ సప్లై జోన్, నియరెస్ట్ సప్లై జోన్. సో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ ఆల్రెడీ టెస్టెడ్ వన్స్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ సెకండ్ టైమ్ దట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ టెస్టెడ్. సో there might be high probability that it will test and then it will bounce back, which will then test completely. Else it might go here and again come back and completely fulfill this gap, and then it can move up. And భయ్యా, సో దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ సీయింగ్. అండ్ భయ్యా, మనము ఇక్కడ నిఫ్టీ 50 ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ మనము చూసినట్లయితే భయ్యా, ఒక్కసారి మనము ఇంట్రాడే లెవెల్స్ని ఒక్కసారి చూడడానికి ప్రయత్నిద్దాం. సో భయ్యా, మనము ఇంట్రాడే లెవెల్స్ చూడాలంటే ఫస్ట్ డైలీ టైం ఫ్రేమ్లోకి ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ మనం మనకి వెళ్ళి చూద్దాం భయ్యా. సో మనం ఇక్కడ చూస్తే దెర్ ఇస్ ఏ డ్రాప్. ఓకే, సో భయ్యా ఇక్కడ చూసినట్లయితే మనకి మంచి డ్రాప్ ఉంది కాబట్టి, సారీ గైస్, ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ సారీ, I'm getting a call. So man, I need to go to this live. Okay. So let me go into this live. Okay. So there is a big red candle that which we are observing, right? So let us consider this as a big red candle, and now the market is trading in this zone, right? So if we go on the 15 minutes time frame, let us find like any supply zones that are available, nearest supply zones that are available or not. So for our bit of information, right? First let us go in the 1 hour time frame, so that we can able to understand that in a much better way. Okay. So భయ్యా, what I'm just seeing is that, okay, చూడండి భయ్యా ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ. So there is a rally base and a rally here, but it is completely of not good drop base rally. So what I'm observing is that uh, there is a drop, okay, which has been from here. There is a good drop base rally, okay, which has been tested once, which has been tested twice, but it has not crossed this recent high. So there is a bit of downfall, and hence here we can see in the hourly time frame only there is a formation of doji candles by. So let us go in the 15 minutes time frame now. Let us consider this. Let us consider as a which is the nearest supply zones that which we are having, right? So this is the supply zone at which we are having the nearest time frame. So if we go by this, which has been already tested, but because of this red candle, I'm a little bit worried that there might be chance of getting reversal from here. There might be chance of getting a reversal from this zone until and unless it breaches up. So I'm expecting a bit of a sideways movement as of now. So let us go this. Yeah, still I'm not okayish with this red candle. So still I'm considering there might be chance of getting down as well. There might be getting down, and maybe in the next 2 or 3 days, maybe by this weekend, it can come down as far as I can see. And if it doesn't breaches this zone, yeah, because everything is like okayish pattern, everything is indicating like a డౌన్ ట్రెండ్. చూడండి భయ్యా, ఇక్కడ ఈ 50-day మూవింగ్ యావరేజ్ని ఇది కూడా కిందకి వచ్చేసింది భయ్యా. సో 20-day మూవింగ్ యావరేజ్, అండ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం it has been restricting, coming down, restricting, coming down here. If we can observe also, and now the market is very uncertain. మీరే చూడొచ్చు భయ్యా, ఒక 5 minutes టైం ఫ్రేమ్లో కూడా కావాలితే మనం వెళ్దాం ఒక్కసారి ఏమన్నా మనకి ఏమైనా క్లూ దొరుకుతుందేమో చూద్దాం. సో భయ్యా మీరు చూడండి భయ్యా ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ. సో దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ గుడ్ ర్యాలీ బేస్ అండ్ ఎ డ్రాప్ if you go in the 5 minutes time frame, and if you consider this, చూడండి భయ్యా, ఈ ర్యాలీ ఈ డ్రాప్ బేస్ ర్యాలీ ఒక 5 minutes టైం ఫ్రేమ్లో దీన్ని టచ్ చేయడం చాలా కష్టం భయ్యా. సో వన్స్ ఇట్ టచెస్ అండ్ బ్రీచెస్ ఇట్, then we can expect some good thing here itself in the time frame. Till here it can reach, else it will come down. సో భయ్యా మార్కెట్ అనేది మనం ప్రాబబుల్ ఛాన్సెస్ అయితే మనము ఇప్పుడు నేను చూసిన దాని ప్రకారం అయితే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద కంప్లీట్లీ ఆఫ్ ద opposite end of what we are, but we have to wait till here if we want to short sell in this market. Let me tell you this clearly. If we want to short sell in this market, if once the market has to reach here, and at least it will come down, at least bare minimum it will try to come down here, so that in that point of time, if you feel that you can do the intraday trade, then we can, then there might be a chance of probability. But going from here to here and trying uh, for a bull run of this short run and coming and doing a trade, it's completely a wrong thing from my end, because we can't say that market is uncertain as of now. So what I told, and if we go in the higher time frame also, once again I'm just trying to emphasize you that, see, the market is coming down, the market is coming down a bit, and there is a good red candle that has been formed, where we have to be absolute cautious regarding this. So try to understand the market scenario and try to do that as well. So let us get into this let us get into this some kind of stocks, like which I have been observing in the recent times. So let us go for this eternal, which is let us see this. Okay. Huh. So this is a Zomato, nothing but a Zomato stock. And if we observe in this daily, if let us see this once in the weekly time frame, like what it exactly helping us to understand, right? So if we see here, భయ్యా ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మనము there is a drop, there is a rally, base and a drop, okay, but I could not able to consider this, okay, but I will consider this. See, rally, a drop, base and a drop. So it's very significant when it comes to the weekly time frame. So I will mark this as a demand, as a supply zone. సో భయ్యా మనం ఇక్కడ చూసినట్లయితే so already it has been tested once, twice, thrice, 4, 5 times, 6 times, and 7th candle is in this, but it has not completely tested. So so this is the accumulation phase, and once is the Nifty 50 analysis, if the Nifty 50 is looking okayish and giving some positive signal towards the bull run, then we can think of entering into this Zomato stock, which can rally a very good boom, which can rally, because I am seeing that this is the candle where it has no much strength while compared to this drop, base and a drop. If we consider this as a drop, base and a drop, I don't think so that it is having much power while compared to this. So once it breaches this and the market is getting stable, then there might be a chance of getting an entry position in this Zomato stock, bhaiya. So be cautious and be positive way that this stock is looking some good way in the near coming future. And భయ్యా ఒక్కసారి మనము మంత్లీ టైం ఫ్రేమ్ లో కూడా ఒకసారి వెళ్ళి చూద్దాం. సో హౌ ది స్టాక్ ఈస్ పర్ఫార్మ్. భయ్యా చూడండి, ఒక్కసారి ఇది మంచి ర్యాలీ ఇచ్చింది భయ్యా. బట్ నేను ఒకటే చెప్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను భయ్యా, ఏంటంటే, సో దిర్ ఇస్ అ స్మాల్ టిప్ ఫ్రమ్ మై ఎండ్, దాట్ ఒక్కసారి మనము ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం భయ్యా. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మార్కెట్ అనేది రివర్స్ అవ్వడం జరిగింది కదా భయ్యా. సో 1 minute భయ్యా. సో భయ్యా, ఎప్పుడైనా ఒక స్టాక్ కనుక, if we think that this is the x-axis and the y-axis, so this x-axis and the y-axis, x-axis and y-axis, now if we see that if any stock that is moving more than 45 degrees or 60 degrees, చూడండి భయ్యా, ఈ స్టాక్ వస్తే ఆల్మోస్ట్ మోర్ దెన్ 45 degrees మూవ్ అయింది మనం జస్ట్ ఈజీగా సెన్స్ చేయొచ్చు కదా భయ్యా. సో ఇలా స్టాక్ ఏదైతే ఒక స్టాక్ మంచిగా ర్యాలీ చేసుకుంటూ అలా పైకి వెళ్ళిపోయిందో, ఒక 45 to 50 degrees అబౌవ్, వెళ్ళి ర్యాలీ చేసిందో ఈ యొక్క పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ర్యాలీ స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ నుంచి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద వన్ గుడ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ దట్ విచ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ market will definitely come down, market will definitely cool down at any point of time. And if we observe this భయ్యా చూడండి, అక్కడి నుంచి నెమ్మదిగా చిన్న క్యాండిల్స్ అన్ని చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళింది భయ్యా. సో టిల్ హియర్ ద మార్కెట్ ఈజ్ ఓకేయిష్. టిల్ హియర్ ఐ విల్ కన్సిడర్ దిస్ యాజ్ ఓకే, బికాస్ ఎప్పుడైతే మార్కెట్ ఎలా పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతుందో సో మళ్ళీ మార్కెట్ ఎలా కిందకు వచ్చింది భయ్యా, ఈ క్యాండిల్ చూస్తే ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చింది అంటే దెన్ the market is in good condition, and then it has given some good candle also here. But if we consider this period భయ్యా చూడండి, ఇది ఈ పీరియడ్ ఉంది కదా భయ్యా, it's completely an euphoria phase, and hence we have to understand in a very cautious way that in this kind of market it will cool down definitely at any cost. And hence it has already happened in the Nifty 50, which I have been already telling you from since long that I have started my live sessions on my YouTube channel. So భయ్యా మనమైతే ఇక్కడ కూల్ డౌన్ అయితే అయింది భయ్యా. సో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టేకెన్ ద బెస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టేకెన్ ద సపోర్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ 20-day మూవింగ్ యావరేజ్ భయ్యా. సో స్టిల్ now if we consider this, it is coming under the 45 degrees line. That means that means this Zomato stock has still potential that it can move upward, but it will take a few good time. సో భయ్యా నేనేమో కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నానంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సో నౌ మనం వీక్లీ టైంలో మాట్లాడుకునేటప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనకి లెవెల్స్ వచ్చి 240 to 265 లెవెల్స్ అయితే మనం చూస్తున్నాం భయ్యా. సో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఏ supply zone, and once it got tested it will go up and down. But when it comes to the time frame of this మంత్లీ టైం ఫ్రేమ్ భయ్యా, ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ చూస్తే మనము మార్కెట్ అనేది there is a good rally and it's a base and a drop. It's a very big drop that which we have to consider. But since the green candle is not as big as this, or even it is completely half of this candle, so we can consider this as a cool down candle. Consider this as a cool down way, and hence if the market is good then it can go up with whatever the technicals that which we find on the weekly time frame. So bhaiya, at any point of time there might be a possibility of getting into the very good zone of very good green candle once the market has been settled like anything of the stock. So I'm looking positive in the next coming month of this Nifty, of this Zomato stock. So let us quite go into a few of our stocks also, few of the stocks that I'm observing from the past few days. So NFL, so let me go for the NFL, right? NFL is also looking good. Yeah, okay. First let me go to this Zomato. Like let us find that what kind of things that we can observe in the daily time frame. So like yeah, చూడండి భయ్యా, at any point of time. సో ఇది మనము వీక్లీ అనాలిసిస్ అనుకున్నాం కదా భయ్యా, ఇది మనం వీక్లీ సప్లై జోన్ అనుకున్నాం కదా. బట్ ఒక్కసారి డైలీ టైం ఫ్రేమ్లోకి వచ్చేసరికి మనం ఒకసారి చూడండి భయ్యా, there is no good drop based drops, and the market is now forming a good green candle. It has already formed a good green candle, 1 2 3, there might be 3 candles, and then next day maybe in this week or in the next coming week, I'm expecting, no, not in the next coming week bhaiya, maybe in this week if we find any good green candle like this, then we can think of the positive way in the Nifty in this Zomato stock. Else we have to wait for a few good time. So why I'm telling you this is because ఇక్కడ చూడండి భయ్యా, సేమ్ ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్యాండిలే ఇక్కడ కూడా వచ్చింది, ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ క్యాండిల్. But it could not able to breach, it came down again, it has formed a very good green candle, it came down again. That means that there is something that is strength on the higher time frame in this regarding this. So understand it and try to wait for a few good period of the time. Once Nifty settle down, once again I'm telling you, re-emphasizing you every single time, if we find how good the stock is, if the sector doesn't give any good sign for us, not be it Nifty 50, be it FMCG sector, be it auto sector, be it pharma sector, in that particular stock, if the things are not going in a good way in the sector, then the stock can't give a good positive sign for us, and hence there is a high probability of our stop loss getting hit. సో భయ్య అదే నేనైతే అది చెప్పాలనుకున్నాను భయ్య. సో దాని గురించి ఐ థింక్ మేబీ దిస్ వీక్ దేర్ మైట్ బి సమ్ గుడ్ పాజిటివ్ థింగ్ దట్ ఐ కెన్ సీ ఇన్ దిస్ ఎటర్నల్, which is a Zomato stock భయ్య. So let us go to this NFL and let's see that how this NFL is going to be done. యా చూడండి భయ్య, ఎన్ఎఫ్ఎల్ లాస్ట్ ప్రీవియస్ డే మంచి పాజిటివ్ సైన్ అయితే కనిపించింది భయ్య ఎన్ఎఫ్ఎల్లోనే. సో లెట్ us see what, wow, this is a very good thing. సో భయ్య చూడండి, ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు భయ్య మీరు. సో ఒక్కసారి మార్కెట్ ఇక్కడ ఎన్ఎఫ్ఎల్ నేషనల్ ఫెర్టిలైజర్స్ లిమిటెడ్, సో ఒక్కసారి మనం ఇది చూస్తే భయ్య, సో ఐఎమ్ సీయింగ్ దట్ there is no good drop-based drop. There is no good supply zone on the weekly time frame, and let us consider on the monthly time frame as well. ఒక్కసారి చూద్దాం ఏంటంటే మంత్లీ టైం ఫ్రేమ్లో. సో ఈ స్టాక్ వచ్చి యా, సో భయ్య ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒక మంచి ప్రాపర్ సప్లై జోన్ అయితే ఐ కుడ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు ఫైండ్, because everything is like a distribution, and maybe because of this red candle, as of course market has fallen, so this big red candle can happen along with the market, I understand. But see here, there is a two good candles, and now it has formed a good green candle here. Of course I understood that this is not as good as this red candle, but still we can consider from here it's a rally base. There might be formation of some base in this month might happen, or it can just give a rally, because there is no proper supply zone that I can find in this stock. And I am observing that it is, bhaiya, at any point of time, now whatever that I am telling, if you feel that at any point of time you are getting some valuable things that out of what I am delivering from our channel, especially I'm putting my efforts and all those things, so you can just have a like and share to our friends who are actually interested in the series and serious about the trading. So please highly encourage to our trading friends to watch our live and to come into this live, so that they could able to understand and do a lot of things from the learnings that which they are getting from our educational purpose of our channel. So that's what I would like to highlight. And if you are forgot to like, just like, share and subscribe to our channel భయ్య. సో ఇంకా ఇది చూస్తే భయ్య, ఎక్కడ మనకి ఎన్ఎఫ్ఎల్లోని ఒక గుడ్ బేస్ అయితే ర్యాలీ అయితే సమ్ సప్లై జోన్స్ అయితే ఇక్కడ లేదు భయ్య. బట్ హియర్ ఈజ్ ఏ వెరీ గుడ్ ర్యాలీ బేస్, ర్యాలీ ఇట్ ఈస్ బిన్ ఫార్మింగ్. అండ్ ఇఫ్ అండ్ భయ్య నేను ఇంకోటి చెప్పాలి, దెర్ ఆర్ ఫ్యూ స్టాక్స్ where they're having a high potential that market also can't do anything in those stocks. But in order to find those kind of stocks, this is one of them that I could able to feel it, because since the market is still considering as a sideways market, but still now it has been going and performing good because of this good rally based rally that I am seeing in this. And once by this weekend, if it closes in a very good way, in a very good positive way, like how this rally candle, this candle has formed, then we can consider this as a very good in this market, so that it will blast like anything, and it can rally at least 20% from here, at least 20 to 15 to 20% it can go from here. So this is a very good stock, and that what I am observing, and I am urging you to just watch this. And this is because this is a channel for only for the educational purpose, and for the things that which you want to invest. You can just go to your financial advisor, so that you can able to invest in a very right way. But this is completely for the observation and the educational purpose, bhaiya. But whatever the learning that I got from my mentor, I'm just trying to deliver it, and I'm just trying to put it on my live YouTube channel, because I want our Telugu friends and our trading friends has to get whatever that they want from this live market, bhaiya. So that's what I'm trying to help you understand. And with saying that, bhaiya, చూడండి, Zomato is a very good stock that which I'm observing, and another stock is NFL. And let us go to this NTPC Green, bhaiya. NTPC Green Energy, it's an energy stock. So yeah, in weekly I'm observing that this is a good drop that I am observing. And the market, see భయ్యా, చూడండి భయ్యా, ఒక్కసారి ఇక్కడ మనం చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే, ఇక్కడ నుంచి డ్రాప్ పడింది, మళ్ళీ పైకి వెళ్ళింది, మళ్ళీ పడింది భయ్యా. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ వరకు పడింది భయ్యా, సారీ. అండ్ దెన్ వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ విల్ డ్రా, సారీ. Oh, what is happening, man? There is a bit of confusion from my end. Array. Okay, so from here there is a good sharp drop, I would like to say. And from here test went up, it is trying to cross, it is the river, it is a signal of reversal. If we find it is a signal of reversal, and from here there might be chance of going up. So bhaiya, that's what I'm considering. అండ్ భయ్యా చూడండి, ఇక్కడ నుంచి మంచి షార్ప్ ఫాల్ అయితే పడింది, నేను అది ఒప్పుకుంటాను భయ్యా. బట్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ద మార్కెట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్రైంగ్ టు అక్యుములేట్, బట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ఏ వెరీ గుడ్ వే, ఇన్ ఏ వెరీ గుడ్ మేనర్ వే, అండ్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫార్మింగ్ higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it is trying to go good. But I'm just trying to help you understand that it has to form a very good demand zone. It has to form a very good demand zone. Still I could not able to find a rally based rally or a drop based rally properly. Now I would like to say that I would like to say that it is completely going in this way. So that's what I'm just observing in this NTPC green. So we can also put this NTPC stock as a radar in our radar, bhaiya. సో ఒక్కసారి మనం ఇది డైలీ టైం ఫ్రేమ్లో కూడా ఒకసారి వెళ్ళి చూద్దాం అసలు ఎలా ఉంది ఏంటనేది స్టాక్. సో భయ్యా, ఇక్కడ ఒక గ్యాప్ అయితే మనకి ఇచ్చి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. సో ఆ గ్యాప్ని కవర్ చేసింది కూడా భయ్యా. అంటే నౌ వాట్ వీ కెన్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఈస్ దాట్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు ఫార్మ్ ఎ గుడ్ గ్రీన్ క్యాండిల్, and then another few base candles, and then it can move up. So it is very 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 important for us to watch this stock. And why I'm telling you this is because there is no proper supply zone also. చూడండి భయ్య, అది వీక్లీ టైం ఫ్రేమ్ మనం చూసాము. సో ఇక్కడ మంత్లీ టైం ఫ్రేమ్ లో ఒక్కసారి మనం వెళ్ళి చూస్తే భయ్య, సో there is no proper drop based in rally. So everything is like a garbage that what I can able to see. Once this stock has formed some good drop based drop or a drop based rally or a rally based rally, then there might be a high chance of getting into this stock. So because NTPC Green is a energy stock that where our Indian government is also focusing on more on the energy stocks, more on the energy sector. So consider this stock as well, and I just want you to urge you to watch this. That's it. And in the recent times, I have found that few stock that has been given some good rally. Oh bhaiya, ఒక్కసారి మనం స్విగ్గీలోకి వెళ్దాం భయ్య. నిన్న it has given some good positive sign. Let me see this Swiggy. భయ్య, డైలీ టైం ఫ్రేమ్ మంచి మూమెంటంలో ఉంది భయ్య. సో there is no proper supply zone. Maybe this is a very good time for the stock. So bhaiya, it is looking okayish. It is looking okayish bhaiya. And if we find this stock as a supply zone, so we can find here it as a drop based drop, but it is completely of a okayish drop based drop. So there might be a chance of getting an up move side in this Swiggy. So you can gear up your seats on the Swiggy, and hence you can just watch it. So it is looking so good of the Swiggy. And recently I had seen this IRFC also. Let me go through this IRFC. I am interested in this railway stocks, which are the coming futures. Oh, it is forming a good drop based or rally drop based rally, rally based rally, and very nice. Till here I'm expecting it can go. It can go. Definitely it can go. It can go at least 10 points. It's a wonderful time for us that the stock is showing some good positive thing, because this is a recent one where it has been already tested once, twice. Maybe it can go up because of this possibility. And IRFC stock is looking very strong. And I'm actually positive on all the railway sector and the railway stocks. So if you want to invest, once again I'm urging you that try to invest by taking the advice of your financial advisor, and then invest it. But for the educational purpose, I'm telling you that this stock is looking so sexy. That's what I want to say. And yeah. So bhaiya, and bhaiya, that's what about this stocks. That's few stocks that I'm observing. And bhaiya, ఒక్క స్టాక్ చెప్తాను భయ్యా, అసలు ఇది మత్తి పోగొట్టింది భయ్యా రీసెంట్ టైమ్స్ లోనే. అపోలో మైక్రో సిస్టమ్స్. ఇట్స్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఆఫ్ డిఫెన్స్ స్టాక్. అండ్ ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి చూడండి భయ్యా, ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి ఈ స్టాక్ అనేది ర్యాలీ అయిందో, ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి పాకిస్తాన్ వార్ జరిగిందో లాస్ట్, ఆ తర్వాత నుంచి చూడండి భయ్యా, ఇక్కడ ఈ రీజన్ నుంచి so what I expected is that it will go till 180 range, 180 185, but it has crossed even 200 again. So this is very good. And now I urge you, I will tell you not to invest in this stock. Why? Because it has already given. చూడండి భయ్యా, నేను ఆల్రెడీ మీకు చెప్పాను. సో ఏదైనా ఒక స్టాక్, ఒక్క నిమిషం భయ్యా. సో చూడండి భయ్యా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ స్టాక్ అనేది ర్యాలీ ఇవ్వడం మొదలుపెట్టింది కదా. సో ఒక్కసారి మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే, ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ దిస్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్, it has already crossed this 45 degrees, and it has been in almost 80 85 range, 80 I can say. It is almost 80 degrees. So I urge you not to invest in this stock as of now. If it is going, let it go, but I urge you not to invest in the stock. So it is as simple as that, and this is a one technique that which we can understand. So, Baya, it's a very simple concept that which we have been going through, which I have been going through from the past 2 years. I have been into this trading from since corona, and I have got a lot of experience in these stocks, in these swing trades, and because of my mentor I had got a lot of guidance over him, and it's like a completely top notch, so that we can able to apply just only with the moving averages. We are going with only moving averages as a tools or the indicators for our helping. I would like to say it's like a lifeline we are using it, but we are mostly depending on this one simple concept, which is a demand and supply theory. And if I'm urging you that if we understand this demand and supply theory in a very good way, it can going to be helpful for all of us. In a short span of time we can earn a lot of money if we have the right intention and the right mindset to invest in the stocks. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్ వే భయ్య. చూడండి భయ్య, నేను ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే, చూడండి భయ్య, ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ సినారియో, ఇక్కడ చూడండి భయ్య, దిర్ ఇస్ ఎ గుడ్ గ్రీన్ క్యాండిల్ but a red candle here it has formed. Okay, it's okay that it can be there has to be some uh, what I would like to say, some supply zone, some zone, some demand zone it has to form after the good green candle, but there is no demand zone. In fact, there is a good red candle that it has formed, but I am saying that after this red candle there is no proper drop or the proper rise. It has been consolidating like this, and see, these are the doji candles, and again it tried to pull down, but it came and touched this 20-day moving average. It has taken support a long period of time, and after that it has taken support of 50-day moving average also, and then it has started accumulating, because since for a longer period of time this stock has created either the supply zone or the demand zone, nothing else, but it is like a wait and watch period. And then once the things has settled down, it has took the flight and it went off to the sky high. Because if we see in the higher time frame bhaiya, chonal bhaiya, there is no thing that can stop this stock to reach till 180, as far as I considered at that point of time, but it has reached 200 plus. It has gone, and because of this momentum of the sideways, and that momentum can be observed and can be understood just only because of this small simple concept, demand and supply theory bhaiya. So if we understand this demand and supply theory bhaiya, so we can rock like anything in this market. In a swing trade, it might be in a swing trade, it might be in a long term, it might be mid term or short term, or whatever the intraday position that you want to get into this. By just understanding this concept, it will be really helpful for you to get into this and learn a lot of things. And you can, but it is completely of your observation, and it is completely at your risk, and all those things will be there. Okay, Bhaiya. So let us observe this sale that which I am looking it as a good, as far as I see. So Bhaiya, if you are watching this live for the first time, once again I'm telling you that, okay, you can just like, share and subscribe at any point of time if you feel that you are getting some benefit out of our channel, and it will help you and help me to grow in terms of giving the knowledge, or in terms of gaining the knowledge from you, from the chat that which you put in our live or the recorded videos, so that I would able to understand, and I would able to also learn a lot of new things from you as well, and I could able to tell whatever that I have learned from a mentor. That's it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, yeah, because I'm putting a lot of efforts and I'm trying to come out and of my comfort zone and everything, and I just want to help people to grow in terms of the education when it comes to stock market, because there are a lot of things that are going in the wrong ways, that which I actually don't like, and hence don't fall in the trap. It's it's just purely based on your ideology or the advice of your financials advisor. You just go and invest in the stock market with the right knowledge. Don't go for the shortcuts which doesn't happen for the overnight success. And that's what my thing is that. And after that, okay, let us now see the sale. But yeah, so if you are having any stock in your mind, you can just drop in the comment section, so that I can able to read your chat in this live, and I could able to tell you, Baya. I could able to see. So Baya, we saying that, yeah, in a monthly time frame it is looking so good that it has formed some good. And now, okay, let me see this. Here is a very drop that I have been looking in this sale, which it is looking very very good. But Baya, when it comes to this weekly time frame, there is no proper thing that I can able to observe, but I can observe this as a very good zone, Baya. I can observe this as a very good zone. So here is a rally base and a good drop, so that this is a very good testament zone. Now the best part of the sale is that it has already given some good green candle, and now it is forming its base in this. And I'm expecting that it can be in your portfolio watch list, because it is now entering into this zone where it can be tested. Now it is already in the testament zone of this supply zone, that which has formed recently. And already if we observe here, Baya, there is a bit that it has been tested of the supply zone once. Now it has been testing twice, so it is losing its power of the supply zone, and considering it will go up, maybe after a good three another candle I'm expecting in this week. If it forms some good way, then we can expect it will breach this. And once it breaches, we can't stop this till, I'm expecting that it can go till 166 165. It can go. There might be a high probability that it can go, and I'm not saying that it will not go, but it can be in your watch list. So I have already discussed that uh, Zomato stock. If you have not gone through it once, if you are watching this live and if you have missed whatever that I have told in this regarding the Nifty 50, and regarding this what I would like to say, this Zomato stock and this NFL, and few of the other stocks also have been gone through in our live now. So if you have not gone through our live and Apollo stocks and other things as well, so go through this live or the recorded, so that you can able to understand and you can able to see that what the concept that I am telling you when it comes to these topics and all, so that it will help you really to look into the demand and supply zone theory. So it's a very simple concept, my dear, but implementation is a very very tough part, because anyone can read the charts, but while implementing it works a lot. It will take a lot of effort. And even if you know even if you know, or if you have learned from any other mentors or any other particular courses, so I would like to highly encourage that don't forget your basics of the course, that whatever you have learned, or if you are learning this for the first time, or the learn these charts or the technical analysis, So I would like to highly encourage that you follow our channel regularly, so that I will able to come on Wednesday Vyaparam live, like how I'm coming today, in every single Wednesday. And on the end of the week, that is on Sunday evening, I will come on live bhaiya. I will come on live for the Nifty and the sectoral analysis bhaiya. So these are the stocks that I am looking positive, and uh, please like do please do like, share, and subscribe. If you think that the effort that I'm putting has given you some level of confidence, some level of understanding regarding the charts, then I would like to highly encourage bhaiya. And which saying that, okay, so it's in a half an hour, so I will try to come on live with some few more stocks on the next Wednesday, and the sectoral analysis on the live trading analysis. And till then, uh, I would like to watch these stocks, and I will come with very much more fresh stocks, or the stocks which are in really hot situation, like it's like a hot seat, right? So with saying that, so let me minimize this, no worry, right? So with saying that bhaiya, so I hope we'll have a very good trading session, and you will have everything that is good. uh, so anything that you want to know from my end, I'm just open here. And you can just tell whatever the stocks that you want me to analyze. I'm happy to do that as well. And I will with this, I will see you on the other hand on the next Wednesday Vyaparam live with more stocks. And until then, this is Ravindra signing off. Bye bye, Jai Hind, and happy trading.